Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create floors in Revit. Okay, be creating floors in Revit, and you can see there is no floor here. So I will go to the ground floor plan. This is the ground floor, and simply select. Let this thin line be on, so that the line will not be thick. We'll be able to see what we are doing. And I'll select architecture tab, then move to floor, select floor architectural, and know the type we have selected. You can see the one I'm using here. If I want to know the size, you can see the size here. The thickness is 150 mm, and the material I want to use the material for the floor. So it's as if I don't have a floor here, so I can start from any material. I can pick any material. Let me look for default mass floor and duplicate this and name it as floor material. And this color, I don't like this color, so I'm going to use something like gray. It's something like gray, like that, and click OK, and click OK again, click OK, click OK. Okay, now we are going to draw now, and I'm going to use pick line, and the offset, I will set the offset to something like 25. The reason is that so that it will not appear on the surface of the wall. I don't want my floor to appear on the surface of the wall. That is why I select that offset. Okay, so I'm going to pick the offset should be 25, and you can see the direction is given me. It's showing the outline where I am going. And make sure I go around. And you can see I am picking the wall. This line you are seeing is the belt. Okay, so I'm picking only the walls, and I make sure it offsets inward so that it will not show on the surface of my wall. When I'm done, I will clean it up. Okay, now I can turn it off this thin line now, and use trim to clean it up. Use trim to clean it up. Okay, that is that, and the level is level ground floor. I'll finish it, and let's look at it in 3D. You can see it's no longer it's not appearing on the floor, on the wall. It's clean. It's not appearing on the wall. Okay, this is it here, and this door, okay, it's fine. Everything is fine, and we also have it on the first floor. Okay, very good. It's only on the ground floor that we don't have it, and we have created it. Okay, that's how you can create floor in Revit. And I hope this video helps you.